name's Greg Smith, Lake Argyle Cruises. I am the owner. We do everything from stand-up paddleboards, canoes and kayaks, where they can go out for half a day or a full day and give themselves their own little experience on the lake. There's the barbecue pontoons that people go out on, where you can experience the day for yourself and up to 10 people on a barbecue pontoon, where you can cook yourself breakfast or lunch. If you were heading out onto Lake Argyle on one of our tours, let's say the Sunset Cruise, you would be going out interacting with a little bit of wildlife. We would go and visit the short-eared rock wallabies and see the archerfish. Try to find some crocodiles. To go over and see one laying 4 or 5 metres away on the shore is something that people do like to see. Get to an area where you're seeing a broad expanse of water is really spectacular at sunset time. It never fails to impress.